This video, we're going to talk about why it's important for health coaches to niche down in their specialties. And we're going to talk about what a niche is, why it's important to have one, and how to get one. So, with no further ado, let's get right to it. Niche, or also it can be stated as niche. I like niche, but I keep hearing niche, so it just seems like the politically correct way to go about it. So we'll go with that for now. It's specializing segment of the market for a certain type of product or service, which basically means you're specializing. For myself, I have specialized from health coaching to mental health coaching to mental health coaching pertaining to relationships. That is my niche. It's important to have one because you got to be specific with your audience, and you need to narrow it down so that you can zoom in on those people and they can zoom in on you as well. You want to research the niche after you've got one to see if it might be profitable. You don't want something that is just so out there that no one's ever going to need it. And the more adequately you niche down, the more you can charge. It's similar to being a doctor. The regular doctor charges one rate, a specialist charges another rate. It's the same way with health coaches. Okay, what else? Where were we anyway? Okay, so we're going to talk about how we're going to figure out what the niche is. So let me give you an example of another niche. We'll go with health coaching, since that's what I'm in. It could be someone might want to niche down from health coaching to weight loss to low-carb diets for diabetics. Bam, they're ready to go. The best way to go about it is, it takes two different things, in my opinion. One is skills. You have to know what you're really, really good at and what you're not good at, okay? You have to be honest with yourself here. Second is what you're really interested in. Topics that interest you, hobbies that interest you. You want this to be something that you're going to love to do. Therefore, interest might include anything like music, art, fine dining, nutrition. Could be anything, jogging, whatever you really like to do or whatever your interests are. Skills for myself. I mean, I have a master's degree in counseling. I've been in mental health for a while. I am very good at typing. I'm very good at filling out forms. I was a very good counselor and therapist. So I want to own in on those skills. And that's why I picked what I'm picking. And that's why you need to figure out what you want to do to niche down. Because you're going to find out in pricing that it's really going to pay off when you do this niching down. And next video we will be talking about the pricing, so get excited because it's going to start getting real good real fast. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.